Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you do. We will wash you, wash you. We will wash you, wash you. Still a little wet. I have a great idea. Air dry. Air dry. You have to consult the encyclopedia. Cooking. Indubitably. Let's find out. Oh yes. Flip to exactly age 637. Oh look, I flipped to that exact page. So, we need glasses. Glasses, alright. We need strawberries. Strawberries? And we need cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Flowers. Chocolate soda. And, oh God no, not salad. Salad pink. Okay. Now we must insert the ingredients into the pot. Make sure it's turned up on extra high. And make sure that your pot is the original big pot of choice. Make sure it's silver. If it's not silver, the werewolves will get to it. You don't want your werewolves eating your food. So, okay, we have to insert the ingredients into the pot. First ingredient? Strawberries. Strawberries. Preferably in the container. It'll melt. And mashed. It'll melt and give it a nice plastic flavour. Yes, and you need it to be mashed on the inside. Or else it doesn't won't taste good, no. Next, we need the cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. They're so adorable. Look at them. Look at those. Look at the little tomatoes. Oh, look at the little tomatoes.
Stop babying them. They have to be manly.
Sorry, son. Into the pot you go. Next ingredient is our flowers.
Preferably pink and of the rose variety.
And if you don't have pink roses, and you only have white, you may paint them red, and in time the red will fade and you'll have pink roses. Just don't tell the queen.
She might get mad at you.
Off with your head. Next, the chocolate soda. Oh look!
It magically appeared!
Chocolate soda, it is of the Jones variety. You know, you see, it's not really chocolate. It's root beer, but
close enough.
They just don't want you to know. It's actually the same thing. 274.
I'm going to
They
go
will
and find
help
the
you.
glasses.
They will help. I will go find the glasses also.
Okay, I have the glasses.
I've got the glasses.
What are you talking about?
No.
They specifically
glasses.
These are glasses.
No,
these are glasses. These are glasses.
Why would you put glasses into a pot?
Why would you put glasses into a pot? That would hurt your mouth.
Those would
Melt.
also hurt your mouth.
They would melt. We should put them both in.
Both? Alright, whatever. It can hurt.
Yeah. Anyways. Alright.
Well then. That's lovely.
It does. We just need to
stir it up a little bit. Alright, now remember, make sure it's on extra super high. Click. Alright, so
wait. Dash of salt.
Alright. Right. You let that boil for about 47 minutes and 74 days. And we'll see you when that's done. Goodbye.
Goodbye. How long did you say that was again?
46 minutes and 74 days.
Oh, let's go shave and then we can...
Yeah, let's go shave. Nothing better than clean shaven face. Whoa.
Alright.
Alright,
So we made... stuffed baked turkey.
I thought it was going to be ham.
Me too. We must
not put enough glasses.
maybe.
Yeah.
I'm sure I got them though, but you know. Oh well. Microwave on high for 3.5 minutes.
That's a lot of minutes.
Right.
Wait, did you have? Oh god, it's going.
It's good.
Oh god. To let stand 1 minute in microwave oven. So we gotta somehow, hopefully it grows legs while it's in the
Hopefully.
microwave.
Hopefully.
If it doesn't, what shall we do?
We'll draw them.
It's finished. If it doesn't have legs, I don't know if I
I
can.
don't know. We're gonna need a timer.
1 minute. Alright. Well, hopefully it's standing because
Hopefully.
we really can't see in there if it has legs, and it didn't before. Stir them. Stir them like the wind, young
The brownie
lady.
doesn't need to come out or anything.
No, you don't need to stir brownies.
Well, no, do you need to take it out though?
No.
Let's see the instructions here. It says microwave on high for 3.5 minutes and carefully remove the brownie with a fork and set aside. Right there.
That tasted really good. Your head's not in the shop.
Yummy.
I want more.
You have to wait.
I have to wait. Okay, it's finished, but we have to put it on a plate. Make it look beautiful. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Looks just like the box, see?
It's beautiful. And so, at the end of our adventure, right, all right.
We should each have a piece of chicken.
Yes.
Oh, it's a dry piece. Oh, it's amazing. Has the right rubbery texture.
It does. I got the small piece. Since you got a big piece, I'll take this one.
Oh, alright.
Also right, that rubbery texture. A little bit of cardboard.
They got it just right. The mixture between cardboard and rubber. Oh, mystery person, would you like to try some? The mystery person declined.
I'm going to have another sip of my lovely year of wine. And not too peppery when it goes down.
No, they sure don't make it like that anymore.
No. Oh,
Is it delicious?
I love beans.
I love
Just
them
the
so
right amount of desert dry.
You love them so much, I'll let you have them all.
Thank you.
Have some of the potatoes.
They're so dry.
It's the consistency of Play-Doh that you've left out too long.
Why, yeah. Now we need to get our brownie.
Now we need our brownie.
Alright, ready?
Alright.
Brownie.
Mysterious person. Brownie. Thank you.
She ate our brownie!
Oh, that was going to be my favourite part.
It was me too.
There's a little bit left.
Yummy.
It would have been beautiful.
Well, at least we finished our second how-to video.
And this was how to make microwave dinners. Particularly by Swanson.
Delicious.
Mystery person. I can't do this. Make sure it's silver. If it's not silver,
The werewolves will get to it.
you don't want your werewolves eating your food. You might die of werewolfosis. Please, if you have werewolfosis, call 1-800-555-9781. They will help you find a cure.
1-555-88. What was it again?
8791, I think.
8791. Hello? Yes, I think I have a
Yes? What?
Yes, hello.
Yeah?
I have a possible case of wolfinitis. I was just...
Really?
I was watching
Oh my
your
God.
show.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
alright. The
Oh,
only
gosh.
way to cure you, it's alright, I believe you. The only way to cure you
Okay.
is you need to pour dill pickle, popcorn, salt into your hand and then spread it all over your nose and use a knife to cut some bread in half and put butter on it.
Okay. I'm
Yes.
going to go do that right now. Okay.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, good luck.
Okay. I need to go.
Alright, goodbye. Well, I'll just whisk the stuff that's in the pot. Which is not much because we haven't added anything yet.
Oh, sorry. I've dill pickle up my nose.
Oh, why?
Long story.
Oh, alright. So, yes. Just step one. Hello! That was recording. No! This way. You write step two. Me or her?
Sitting in the bathtub.
Whoa. Wait, put your butt down a little bit farther. Okay, put your leg up again. Okay, it looks like you're naked.
Good job.
No! No!
Well, you might want to stop being like that then.
Hello?
Hello?
Banana fun.
No.
Oh, it was turned on the
Banana phone.
Good job.
Okay, so get up on the edge.
What was that?
Don't break the top.
What was that about needing?
I got this.
If Pop-Tarts are a microwave meal, does this mean this microwave meal is a toaster meal?
Why don't we try it?
Where'd the toaster go? Oh, it's over here, okay. It didn't work.
It's not toastable.
No.
What's the next thing? Step one. would be our...
Wash your hands.
Hold on, Stitch.
Consult the encyclopedia of home cooking.
Indubitably.
Your boobs are hanging out.
Indubitably.
Indubitably.
Consult the encyclopedia of home cooking.
Oh. There's a spoon over here. Just gonna pass it.
You like to caress rusty spoons.
Ah!
Ow! That stabbed my foot. Anyways, we're going to get back to business. Taking care of business every day. Taking care of business. Yeah. It's alright. Taking care of business. We're working.
It magically disappeared.
Yes. And the first
Okay,
thing.
so let's get all of our ingredients here.
And the flowers.
This is chocolate
Sorry if I
soda.
get them mixed up, but
It's not death by chocolate this time. It didn't expire. We're alright.
you left the freezer open.
It's not death by chocolate. It's not death by chocolate. It's not even chocolate, mate. It's root beer. Root beer by Jones. Do you see my sexiness?
No.
There's a centipede on the floor. What?
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Well, first I must film it.
Please, go and get a shoe.
Look at that evil thing.
Kill it, kill it.
This isn't my shoe.
Oh.
You murderer! Why would you do that?
It was icky.
It was beautiful.
I, as a mysterious person, do not condone that.
I'm sorry, little centipede. You had to die. You had to die.
Could you
You
just
have to
clean
die.
its core?
Ew, 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 ew. Oh my god. Oh my god, the dead body of the thing is gone. The dead body. Oh my god, it's on my foot. Oh my god.
No bad idea.
Well, it's a good box. Come on.
Okay then.
There's a person over there trying to tell me to do something, but I really don't know what they're trying to tell me to do. They said shh. I don't think they know. I don't think they know what we're doing. They're laughing. They're laughing at us. Would you laugh at us? Would you laugh at somebody with a knife this big? And a Crayola smile. And a See, they get you with the smile. We get them with the smile. See, they see us coming. And then we stab them in the thumb. Did you see that? They stole one.
She's over there.
Go get you. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew. Oh, it's coming closer. Oh, it's coming closer. Pew pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew. Can you put down the knife? This is not threatening enough.
I'm a Dalek.
But you are. Oh, thank you. It gave us back our box. It took our box and it gave it back.
Distillers.
Don't tell our viewers our food is gross. Now viewers, you did not hear that. Our food's not gross. It's never gross. My phone just said hi to you.